3 near-collision asteroids that you didn't know about. Asteroids are terrifying, and even scarier is the possibility of one of these striking our planet and ending life here. What if we told you that NASA has hidden many near asteroid collisions from the public in 2020? Welcome to Fun Fact Saved Me, and today we'll be taking a look at 3 near-collision asteroids that NASA kept hidden all this time. Stay until the end to find out which asteroid nearly caused a collision with our planet, striking fear into all NASA members. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great content like today. 2020 KP6. Just a few weeks ago, NASA's automated asteroid tracking system detected a massive asteroid that nearly approached Earth on Tuesday, June 16th. The asteroid was as big as the wingspan of a Boeing 747 plane, meaning it was around 223 feet in diameter and approaching Earth at a speed of over 24,000 miles per hour. It's known as 2020 KP6. Due to its size and speed, there was a chance that the asteroid would have caused an impact event had it been in direct collision course with the Earth, being strong enough to wipe out a town off the map. Fortunately, it was not in danger of colliding with Earth during flyby, and rather zipped past the planet from a safe distance. 2020 KY. At the beginning of June, NASA tracked yet another asteroid expected to fly past Earth on Tuesday, June 9th. The asteroid was following a wide orbit around the Sun and identified by NASA as 2020 KY. It had a speed of roughly 5,000 miles per hour and an estimated diameter of around 115 feet. It was first observed on May 17th, and luckily, it wasn't as big or as fast as the other near-asteroid collisions. It supposedly would not have even hit the ground or caused an impact. Rather, it would have fragmented in the air and caused a powerful explosion in the sky, though a mid-air explosion could have been extremely dangerous nonetheless, roughly equivalent to 30 atomic bombs. So what do you think about these near-asteroid collisions so far? If you're shocked to learn about these, stay until the end of our video to learn about which one of these was even worse. 2018 VP1. Finally, both NASA and the ESA are closely monitoring an asteroid with a supposedly non-zero probability of colliding with Earth in late 2020. According to their data, the asteroid called 2018 VP1 and its impact could happen on November 2nd, 2020. If this asteroid collides with Earth, it will be at speeds of over 32,000 miles per hour, and like the 2020 KY before it, would probably cause an explosion of devastating proportions if it makes impact with the Earth. So there you have it. Those were the most near asteroid collisions hidden in 2020. While most weren't featured by the media due to the news outlets favoring COVID-19 news and politics, all of these asteroids had or have the potential to end life on Earth if they were a tad bit closer. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Fun Fact Saved Me and turn notifications on for more great videos like today. Also, be sure to check out some of our other space videos that might also interest you. Thanks for watching.